Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fix Zone. It's your name here, and today we're tackling a super common question: how to update apps on your Apple TV. Short, engaging intro music/animation Fix Zone logo. Have you ever noticed your favorite app acting a little wonky, or just not performing as well as it used to? Chances are, it might just need an update. Luckily, updating apps on Apple TV is actually really straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through a couple of simple methods to keep your apps up to date, ensuring you get the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. Whether you prefer automatic updates or like to keep things manual, I've got you covered. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get started. Transition to screen recording of Apple TV interface. Okay, so the first method is setting up automatic updates. This is the easiest way to ensure all your apps are always running the latest version. Navigate to Settings on your Apple TV home screen, find and select the Settings app. It's usually the gray gear icon. Open Apps scroll down and select Apps. Turn on Automatic Updates look for Automatically Update Apps. If the switch is off, grayed out, simply select it to turn it on, green. Slight pause for emphasis. And that's it. From now on, your Apple TV will automatically update your apps in the background whenever there's a new version available and your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Easy peasy. Transition to second method. Now, if you prefer to update your apps manually, here's how you do it. Open the App Store on your Apple TV home screen, find and select the App Store app. Go to Purchased or your profile scroll to the top and select Purchased, if you're using family sharing, or your profile icon at the top right. Check for updates look for the Updates section. If there are any available updates, they'll be listed here. Update individual apps or all you can choose to update individual apps by selecting Update next to each one, or you can select Update All at the top to update all available apps at once. Demonstrate clicking on Update All, or an individual app update. The Apple TV will then start downloading and installing the updates. The progress will be displayed right on the screen. Just let it do its thing, and you'll be all set. Transition back to face to camera. And that's all there is to it. Whether you choose the automatic or manual method, keeping your Apple TV apps updated is a breeze. Hopefully, this video helped you understand how to update your apps on Apple TV. If you have any questions or run into any problems, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Outro music/animation, Fix Zone logo with social media links.